Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. My name is Hassan and today we are going to auto redirect HTTPS version of website using Google Chrome extension. Before starting work, it's my request, please subscribe my channel. Thank you. Now back to our work. So we are in Google and write HTTPS everywhere. So press enter. So this is Chrome web store link. So click on it and then you see add to Chrome button. So click on it. And then you see add extension, so again click on it. So HTTPS everywhere has been added to Chrome. On top you see Chrome extension icon, so click on it. And then you see HTTPS everywhere, pin it. On top you see icon, so click on it. You see HTTPS everywhere. So when you open any website that has HTTPS version but open HTTP version on your browser, then by using this extension you are going to redirect to HTTPS version of that website. If any website has HTTPS version, then this plugin or extension redirect to that version. Now open any website. Now you see HTTPS. Now we are going to remove S and again enter. But you see redirect to HTTPS version. So I hope you like this video. Please like, comment, share, subscribe. Thank you for watching.